Acting on set can be an exciting and challenging experience, but it can also be nerve-wracking, especially for first-timers. In this video, we'll be discussing the 7 most common mistakes new actors make on set and how to avoid them. Do remember to subscribe if you found this video valuable to you. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Forgetting their lines. Memorizing lines is a crucial part of acting, and it's essential to be well prepared before coming to set. Always take the time to rehearse your lines and ensure you have them down pat to avoid any delays or frustration among the crew. Mistake number 2. Not listening to directions. As a new actor on set, it's important to listen carefully to the director's instructions and follow them to the letter. Ignoring directions can make the director's job more challenging and may result in a less effective performance. Mistake number 3. Not being professional. Being professional on set means being punctual, dressing appropriately, and maintaining a positive attitude. Remember, acting is a job, and you should treat it as such. Respect everyone on set, including the crew and other actors. Mistake number 4. Overacting. Sometimes new actors can overact, which can come across as unnatural and inauthentic. Remember that less is often more in acting, and subtlety can be powerful. Mistake number 5. Breaking character. Maintaining character is essential for the continuity of the scene. Even during downtime or breaks, it's important to stay in character and maintain the illusion of the scene. Mistake number 6. Not being aware of their surroundings. Being aware of your surroundings on set is crucial for safety reasons, as well as for continuity. Not paying attention to where you are standing or walking can disrupt the flow of the scene and cause delays. Mistake number 7. Not asking questions. As a new actor on set, it's essential to ask questions when you're unsure about anything. Don't be afraid to ask questions. It shows that you're eager to learn and do your best. Avoiding these 7 common mistakes will help new actors have a successful and positive experience on set. Remember to be well prepared, listen carefully, be professional, stay in character, be aware of your surroundings, and ask questions. Acting on set can be a rewarding experience, and with these tips, you'll be on your way to a successful career in acting. This was just a quick video, a taste of what this channel will now become. So please do subscribe. It will mean a lot to us. Thanks for watching.